Hey guys, I'll be showing us today a simple way to use Chebe powder on your hair. Stay tuned. I'll start off by putting my hair in sections and getting my water ready because water is super important. After I'm done mixing, I spray water on my hair, apply the mix and a little bit of leave-in conditioner because I want the product to get easily absorbed. I do that everywhere and then I put my hair in a bounce knot. I put my hair in a bounce knot to prevent shrinkage because my hair shrinks like crazy. So when my hair is in a bounce knot, it shrinks less. When I'm done, I put my hair in a shower cap for 30 minutes or more to let the heat get to it. I did this treatment for my friend also, as you can see. I'll be using Eya Naturals to wash my hair. And when I'm done with that, I will be applying the Chebe butter and natural hair butter from Honey Paradise. I'll put all the products I use in my description box. And I will also link their Instagram page. Like I said before, I only use a brush on my hair when my hair is already detangled. This is to avoid breakage or anything like that. Now I'll be applying OwnYourBeautiful Stimulating Gro Oil on my scalp. Follow me on Instagram for more. It's Abigail_. Thank you. Do not forget to subscribe, guys. Like, comment, share. Bye.